what we call affiliate marketing. Here we have top 4 frequent asked questions about affiliate marketing. Actually, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process in which the affiliate attains a commission for marketing another company's products or services. If you market other companies' products or services, the commission you get in that process is what we call affiliate marketing. The affiliate simply promotes a product on their platform and subsequently earns a piece of the profit from each sale they make. How does affiliate marketing work? When a business enlists the help of an affiliate, they typically send them a sample of the products or services that they are selling. The affiliate then produces content on another piece of promotion material that draws interest from their large network of followers and visitors, thus positioning said item under the noses of those who matter. There are plenty. What are the most popular affiliate marketing networks? There are plenty of great affiliate marketing services for business to utilize. Some of them are ShareSell, Affiliate, Amazon Associates, eBay, Partners, Shopify, Affiliate Program, and ClickBank. Among many other great companies, those are most known companies which most known to be using affiliate marketing networks. How does affiliate marketing drive sales? As affiliates promote a company's product or service, they are helping to bring it some exposure to a much larger network of viewers than what would otherwise be possible. Affiliates make the product more visible to globally to more large group of people, so increases the sales. The added exposure drives interest, which ultimately leads to sales. Please remember to subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching.